Welcome back to the Wealth Builders Academy. Let's roll. Let's keep it moving. Here's why your digital apps will not count as payroll. Digital apps do not count as payroll. This is the Zelle myth. Why digital apps don't count. Let's get one thing straight. Sending a Zelle payment to one of your employees is not running payroll. It's just moving money. In the eyes of the IRS, if there is not a pay stub, federal and state withholding, there's no quarterly filing attached to it, you are not paying a salary, you are just sending a digital high five that could land you in the world of tax trouble. Of course, GBC tax bookkeeping and payroll can help, but let's master the difference. App convenience versus tax compliance. We get it. Digital payments like CashApp, Zelle, Venmo, and PayPal are fast. One click and you're done. But that convenience is also, as often can be a trap. When you pay someone with the app instead of a formal payroll system, you are skipping the most critical part of being a business owner, which is compliance. For 2026, IRS has its magnifying glass out. They have their magnifying glasses out. They checking and they looking. They are checking and they looking. Okay? Now, here's what you got to do to make sure you stay out of trouble, because they're looking more closely than ever. If you pay an employee via Zelle, you are not withholding Social Security, Medicare, or federal income tax. That means at the end of the year, you don't have a valid W-2 to issue. You've essentially created a shadow payroll, and the IRS loves to audit shadow payrolls. So digital apps versus genuine payroll. Let's talk about it. If you're an S Corp, you guys have been seeing all these YouTube videos telling you to make your LLC an S Corp. Well, one of the things that you have to understand is that for an S Corporation, payroll is required. If you are an S Corporation, payroll is required. You have a legal requirement to pay yourself a reasonable compensation through a W-2 salary. And many owners think that I'll just sell myself from the business account and that'll cover it, and that's wrong. The transfer is considered a shareholder draw, not a salary. That's a draw. It's an owner's draw. Draws are great for moving your profits, but they do not satisfy the IRS requirement for reasonable compensation. If the IRS audits you and sees zero W-2 wages but plenty of owner's draw, they can classify all of those draws as wages and then hit you with back payroll taxes, interest, and massive penalties. So, S Corp owners, the draw trap, navigating 2026 reporting thresholds. Moving forward, starting in 2026, the stakes are even higher. The reporting landscape has shifted. While the threshold for 1099 miscellaneous and 1099 NEC has moved up from the $600 mark, it's moved up to $2,000. The 1099K rules for digital payment apps remain a moving target. If your business is receiving money via CashApp, Venmo, or any other platform, that platform can issue a Form 1099K. However, receiving that Form 1099K does not mean you've handled your payroll obligations. Whether you're paying a contractor or yourself, the mile-by-mile method is the only way to track every dollar. Okay? Conquer your payroll, your next actionable steps. This is what you do about it. So we've discussed a potential problem, and here's what we do about it. Don't let a convenient app ruin your financial security. You need leverage and professional tools to stay clean. Audit your payments, take a look back, establish formal payroll. We can help with that if you need help. We're running a payroll promotion this year. You get full service payroll starting at only $149. That includes the first employee, direct deposit, all of your payroll taxes, and everything. Make sure you get everything documented. If you sign up with us, we'll take care of that for you. But if you're going to do it yourself, just make sure you document everything. Consult a professional. Don't guess about this kind of stuff, because the IRS reporting is going to keep changing. So at GBC Tax Pros, we help you navigate these choppy waters so you can stay focused on growing your empire. We ensure that your tax preparation and your payroll is bulletproof and compliant. So if you're ready to fix it, just text payroll. Text the word payroll to 813-462-2758. You can also schedule a free consultation by texting that same number or visit genobradley.com. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys on the other side. Let us know if you need assistance. Hey, we're building wealth builders. Let's keep it moving.